Tokyo-based creative agency. We do all sorts of promotional and marketing assets. We design websites. We make brochures. Our main focus is design and writing. And with every project that we work on, we try to push that universal aspect, accessibility, LGBTQ friendly. This appeal, try to educate our clients that there's another way to promote themselves. And we also established the Japan Travel Awards, which is our passion project. I mean, we're a creative agency. Why would a creative agency start a travel award? Well, that's exactly why, because a big part of regional promotion in Japan, they love being awarded. And by praising what they do well, we know that they're going to hear you and listen to what you have to say. So we started the Japan Travel Awards, and our Japan Travel Awards has 4 categories. So this goes to how we do it. It has best accessible travel, best LGBTQ friendly travel, best inbound travel. What was the last one? Best sustainable travel. These are the 4 categories. And by making these categories a standard in the travel industry, we let people know that if you want to win, you have to address these categories. But it doesn't also stop there. We try to tell them that to every finalist, we provide a detailed feedback report with our rest of the judges who are all representing a different category. We have people who have been in a wheelchair for all their lives, or people members from the LGBTQ community. So they all come together and advise this place on how they can improve and make their services better to the wider travel community. So it's a very educational award as well, and we do that completely for free. God knows why, but it's something that we live for, and it's very important. And we're also making it very important that it has to be very visible. If you're a hotel that has an accessible room, put that on your website. If you have an accessible entrance, take a photo and put it on your website. Promote it on your social media. That's how people will notice that they can go and visit your place. So sorry, this was a bit long, but this is my introduction, and you can ask me many questions after that if you'd like to. Thank you so much.